Competition in one spectacular showcase. So sharing this prestigious stage is the future of leadership and tourism and diplomacy, as we also present the Mr. Teen Philippines candidates for the Mindanao Island. These young men who embody confidence, discipline, and promise. So sit back, feel the energy, cheer with pride, because tonight, Mindanao rises, tourism shines, and gentlemen are made. My name is 𝙁𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚, your reigning Mr. Planet Power International Philippines 2026, and welcome to the preliminary and swimwear competition of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Mindanao region. To formally begin our program, I'd like to request everyone to please rise for the invocation and please remain standing for the singing of the national anthem.
Thank you so much, Giselle. My respect to our Honorable Mayor of the Municipality of Tagoloan, Mayor Attorney 𝙑𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 to the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, headed by Vice Mayor Rolando Emanuceno, ably represented by our beautiful Chair Committee, Vice Chair Committee of Tagoloan Festival, Kagawad ni Kanabong Sultan, to my friend, kakauban ako sa tourism officer sa Pulambugan, Lanao del Norte, Sir Balase, sa ato ang CEO of the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines, Sir Ed, and to the rest of the guests here, no, maayong gabi ka natong tanan, and welcome to the Municipality of Tagoloan. So sa tanan na gikan pa sa layo na lugar, no, ay nagstorya mi kaganina ni Sir Ed, ingon siya napadagikan sa Zamboanga, nagikan sa Davao, nagikan sa lain na region. So thank you for coming to Tagoloan, and thank you for choosing Tagoloan as our official venue for this preliminary and swimwear competition. Kanatong tanan ang nandini kang gabi una, dagan kaayong salamat, and once again, welcome to Tagoloan, and let's discover Tagoloan, where the heart of Misamis Oriental beats. Maayong gabi.
Thank you very much once again to the Municipal Tourism Officer of the Municipality of Tagoloan, Mr. J.R. Pascua. And we mentioned earlier that this is indeed a celebration. And speaking of celebration, mientras naman tangtanan ni Hikarong Gabi Una, we'd like to grab this opportunity to invite everyone to catch and witness the 7th Cantabo Festival celebration of the Municipality of Tagoloan. Opening ceremony will start on Monday, January 19, all throughout until February 8. So magkita-kita ka, discover Tagoloan, and let's all experience the Cantabo Festival. At this point of time, on behalf of the local Chief Executive of the Municipality of Tagoloan, Mayor Attorney 𝙑𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚, to give her message, let us give the floor to our number 1 Municipal Councilor of the Municipality of Tagoloan. Put your hands together to Kagawad ni Kanabong Sultan. What good evening.
May gabi sa inyong tanan. So on behalf of Attorney 𝙑𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 and our fathers sa Sangguniang Bayan, Vice Mayor Rolando Emanuceno, welcome to Tagoloan, Misamis Oriental. No? Kabalo mi kanina nagstorya mi, may due respect po sa atong CEO, si Sir Red, no? Napo si Sir Vance Balase, namin na ilan nila sa kawas. We've talked about the story of this Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines. So sa inyong tanan, ako may hatasan, makuhaan ko inspirational message. The only thing that I could say is, enjoy. You enjoy your craft. I know you've earned the confidence in sayon ang inyong kagian. No, kaya ako nang witness sa mga nasa Tagoloan ni Misamis Oriental, Mr. Sen Robles, na proud sa ayaw may kay kapatumi nga siya, isa siya sa reason nga na ang moderitanan. He became the ambassador of our town, Tagoloan. Tagoloan, Misamis Oriental. Kaya gani siya ang nahimong representative sa Vietnam this 27, kung na sila, no? So, congratulations din, no? And sa inyong tanan, sa mga proud parents na naatire, sa mga managers, sa mga handlers, welcome sa Tagoloan and thank you kayo sa inyong pag-trust sa aming lugar, no? So, together with Attorney Nadia, ako, Ma'am Iman, our Deputy Speaker, to our Vice Mayor, we welcome you all and kung mag-enjoy mo, good luck sa inyong tanan and God bless you all. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much once again to Tagoloan, Malapusong, Thank you very much for facing our event tonight. So very well papakan sa mga atong mga officials from the municipality of Tagoloan. So at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have a distinguished panel of judges whose expertise and integrity will guide tonight's evaluation. With their keen eyes for beauty, confidence, and stage presence, they will help determine the candidates who best embody grace, poise, and the true spirit of tourism ambassadorship. Let us now present our esteemed panel of judges. Beginning with our first judge. He is a 20 years old and a tourism management student at Gipahigayon Doctors College. He is an active student leader with a strong background in pageantry and campus competition. He is the title holder of Mr. Freshman 2024 and Mr. World Tourism 2024, a 𝙏𝑜 𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 2024 finalist and 𝙁𝙄𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 vocal duet champion, and was named second runner-up of 𝙏𝑜 𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 2025. This year, he earned the special title, the Luminary of Tourism at Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines. He will represent the Philippines as Mr. Metropolitan Philippines 2026 and is set to compete in Vietnam this coming January 28 to February 1. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, our Mr. Metropolitan International Philippines 2026, Mr. J. Villanueva Poland. Our second judge is a 31-year stunner, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management in the Tagoloan Community College, a former teacher person of Barangay Gracia, and currently the warden in charge of Paula's Hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Ms. Sarah Jane B. Cahao. Our next distinguished member of the panel is Gipahigayon, with deep roots in the Tagoloan. He's 29 years old, and he is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from St. Michael's College and a dedicated government employee, currently serving at the Department of Public Works and Highways in Gipahigayon City District Engineering Office. He is no stranger to the world of pageantry and literature. His notable achievements include being crowned Mr. SMC Culture Ambassador 2018, a finalist of Mr. Iligan in the Mindanao 2023, being one of Kabataan Barangay Icon 2024 Grand Winner, Mr. DPWH Iligan City District Engineering Office 2025, and first runner-up of Mr. Philippines Iligan 2025. He proudly represented the province of Mindanao as an official candidate of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2025. The national pageant was held from November 9 to 17 in the scenic destinations of Boracay Island and Rojas City, Capiz, where he showcased exceptional confidence, intelligence, and advocacy. His outstanding performance earned him the prestigious title of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Luminary of Charity 2025, along with the special awards, Best in Closed Door Interview, and Darling of the Press, highlighting his strong communication skills, charisma, and positive rapport with the media. Continuing his journey on the international stage, he will represent the Philippines as Man of the Global International Philippines 2026, competing in Manila Global International 2026 to be held in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam from January 27 to February 4 alongside delegates from around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome one of our esteemed judges, Mr. 𝙁𝙍𝘍. Our next judge was hailed Mr. Culture World International Philippines 2026, hailing all the way from Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur. He will also represent the Philippines in the upcoming international competition to be held in Vietnam in Ho Chi Minh City. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. 𝙁𝙍𝘍. Our next judge is all the way from Surigao del Sur and is representing province in the recent Mr. 𝑚𝑠 Philippines 2025. He was crowned Mr. World Ambassador International Philippines 2026 and is the reigning regional winner of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. John Gabriel Gutierrez. And our next judge, ladies and gentlemen, is the tourism officer of the municipality of Tagoloan, province of the Mindanao. Grace for events tonight, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. 𝙁𝙍𝘍. To our distinguished panel of judges, maayong gabi, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the humble municipality of Tagoloan for our preliminary and Swimwear Competition 2025. Nakapalik ang isa at judge. Ladies and gentlemen, completing our panel of judges is our Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Ambassador for Culture and Heritage. He represented the municipality of Lokal, province of Misamis Oriental during the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Justin Alador. Again, now the panel of judges is now complete. Thank you very much once again for gracing this event and for taking on the toughest job personalized competition. And now I believe that all our candidates are now ready, and so and our supporters going to just verify that. Ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? And are you ready? Mark let us all welcome the MTUPH Mindanao candidates as they take the stage for their production number.
2021 Misamis Oriental.
Jordan Diampay de Castro, 24, Surigao del Sur.
Jericho, Puerto Lazo Batos, 25, Davao City.
Etno Suhul Labuan Gani, 26, Palibang Sultan Ugarat.
General de la Línea 20, Kalawit Zamboanga del Norte.
Mr. Tourism,
John Ray Haya, lungsod sa tubod, lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte.
Young Humphrey, 27, from Iligan City.
Mr. Tourism, Jameson Nachola, 24, Lanao del Norte!
Angel, Nicole Pasiwa, 17, Subida, Bukino.
Joven Honor 18, Municipality of Daantapan.
Mr. Tourism,
Christian Daniel Navarro, 15, province of Mindanao del Norte.
January, Hilala, 16, Liga City.
Rachel Mary Satan, 17, Misamis Oriental.
Once again, let's all welcome our Mr. Tourism Givers, Philippines, Mindanao Candidates, and Mr. G2Bs of Mindanao. Alright, so there you have it, grabe. That was just the beginning of their journey, and we will see more from them as they continue on their journey onwards. But at this moment of time, this segment allows our candidates to express their thoughts and advocacy as they engage with members of the media, showcasing the substance behind the beauty. We now acknowledge the presence of our friends from media. We have from 87.5 FM, Municipal Radio, and the Municipal Information Office of Tagoloan. So to all our candidates, our friends from media will be throwing out questions for you guys and better do your best because they will serve as the first impression from the judges. So good luck, and I request our friends from media to please throw your questions now.
Good evening, everybody. This is for Julina from Miss Oriental. So, kasabot o Bisaya tanan. Okay, very good. So, daghan kayo mo. So, I guess anyone can answer. So, you are representing your municipality or your province. So, unsa ang inyong ikapasundayan sa langing part sa nasud nalikan sa inyong lungsod? Okay. Wow, my first ever experience oral recitation.
Well, I think we'll have how many candidates per question there? 3 candidates per question.
Okay.
My name is Adanan. The biggest reason why I'm here is because I am promoting my advocacy. And coming from Iligan City, we are consisting with tribe people, Lumad Christians, and also Muslims. And here, the best that I can offer is talking less about ourselves, starting a campaign that promotes social welfare for the senior citizens because they don't only need senior discounts or priority lane, they also need to be valued. And that is something I want to be showcasing in a national stage. It's more than meets the eye. Thank you.
Alright, so those candidates who wish to answer the question, please make sure to say your name and from where you're from. Okay? So yeah, please.
I am 𝙁𝙗𝑖𝑙𝑖𝑝𝑝𝑖𝑛𝑒𝑠 from Iligan City.
Alright, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I am 𝙁𝙗𝑖𝑙𝑖𝑝𝑝𝑖𝑛𝑒𝑠, municipality of 𝙁𝙗𝑖𝑙𝑖𝑝𝑝𝑖𝑛𝑒𝑠, Sultan Regarding that question, in our municipality we have diverse culture and different religions. We are composed of different identity. But I believe that with our campaign, Manisan Kapalibang, it is showing the beauty of our tourism. And I believe that with our tourism and with this platform, I am here standing in front of you to showcase what municipality of Palibang can offer. Thank you.
Mabuhay po Mindanao, maayong gabi sa tanan. My name is 𝙁𝙐𝙀𝙊, representing Davao City. And if I could share one place in my city with you guys, if you're familiar with People's Park, I would share the Davao People's Park. Because in just one place, it represents the heart of Davao City. From our love for culture, from our rich culture, love for nature, and a sense of community. And from our indigenous cultures inspired and lush greenery, People's Park shows how Davao values its roots while embracing progress. People's Park is a place where everyone is welcome, just like Davao City itself. It's peaceful, full of life, and vibrant.
Thank you very much for our first three candidates. We have from Iligan City, we have from Davao City, and Sultan Manila. Next question, please.
So hello everyone, good evening. So my question is, so I want to choose to answer this question using Sinalo del Norte. So as a man, what are your thoughts about the controversial issue statement today that trans women are women?
Wow, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a wonderful question from one for media. Before answering, I first like to thank everyone who participated with us here tonight, the organizing committee, our esteemed judges, but also the media institutions who are here tonight. Before I want to speak about this issue, I first want to highlight, can we send the music a little bit? Di ako nagpapauso ha, just want to discuss this on a more conversational manner. Because I'm also a teacher, and this is something that often comes up a lot during my discussions in Philippine politics and governance, especially in terms of women's rights. I think that discussions towards women are often outlets and areas and microcosms of individuals where people can speak about things that they believe in. The problem that I have with this is that most conversations and most discussions are often led by men. I think that discussions revolving around who should be called a woman or who should be eligible to have that specific identity should be discussed by actual individuals who experience the struggles and conflicts of a woman. Actual people who can probably experience being discriminated in the workplace, harassed when it comes to school, or even discriminated and given less opportunities primarily because of the way that people perceive their sexes are. And this is extremely important because while we aspire to become the tourism center of Asia, we are still stuck with gender discrimination at rates of 80 to 70% statistically, based on studies and based on qualitative presumptions. This is not to make myself sound smart, but I think that we need to reimagine what it means for us to discuss these things. That we don't just simply talk about them because we feel like it, but we give the chance for women and trans women to find a common ground. Because at the end of the day, these are the people that encounter women's struggles.
Thank you very much. But now, grabe. So, pinili mo na yan. Any more questions? Number 4.
So, maayong gabi sa tanan or madayaw na doon ikaw. So, I am from Sabado, sir, and the debate about trans woman is a woman. I believe that it is rooted because society often confused about or on the distinctions of sex and gender. Woman is used in different contexts. So in biological context, woman refers to someone, like a female, an adult female. But in a psychological and social context, woman is about gender roles. So it means it pertains to gender expression and gender identity. And if a trans woman tells us that we are a woman, it is a claim about their gender identity or who they are and their gender expression and how they are going on, how they express themselves in public and society, rather than telling them that, or in denial, rather than being in denial about their biological sex. So if this concept is very hard to understand, one thing I'm very certain that we can agree on to a one concept that is very easy to follow, that trans woman is a human who deserves tolerance and acceptance. And I think giving them with this kind of treatment, this debate is not only over, but we can give them safe space and also we can give them safe space as well as acceptance and sense of belongingness that they are also belonging in our society where we are living. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wanda del Sur. Yeah, sure. If the judges allow us, okay.
I promise this is not for me to monopolize time. Okay? It was a wonderful discussion. The teacher in me would also want to discuss this part. The definition of being a woman has evolved over time. Primarily, in the late 19th century, it used to be circumvented about your capacity to give birth. That is what being a woman was before. But today, it's no longer the same because we redefined what it means to be a woman. However, I do also believe that trans rights have to be recognized, primarily because the convergence between being recognized eligibility as a woman provides you with certain liberties. I hope we have attorney members here with us tonight. The recognition of your biological capacity to be recognized by the state allows greater capacities for you to negotiate your rights and skills and opportunities that you deserve. So, this is a wonderful question from media. I love these discussions. We don't stay on the surface level discussions as if you were to win this something. But yeah, that would be for Lando and Marque. I love this. I love the question. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, anyone from you guys is answer the question.
I choose number 5, sir, from Davao City.
Davao City. Our media friends can come over here para share na ang mic. Yes, Davao City.
So the question was, what's my thought about trans women are women? So my opinion about that is that being a woman is not only defined by your biological, but it's all about how you express yourself. Being a woman, giving them the freedom to express themselves based on what they want. And I think that people should embrace change since we are in a modern world. It's already 2026 and we have to open our mind that we are still humans at the end of the day. I encourage everyone to always hold the culture, love, and respect because these things are really good. Respect everyone and once again giving them the right to be respected and loved to the society. So regardless whether you are man, women, or trans women, you deserve to be respected and we should give that to them. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Davao City. So, yeah, we have questions from the Municipal Information Office of Tagoloan.
Good evening, everyone. I am Christian Imano from the Municipal Information Office of LGU Tagoloan. So my question goes for number 6.
Number 6.
Number 6, 7, and 16.
6, 7, and 16. Please come forward.
So my question will be, how do you think pageant like Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines it can inspire young men, most especially in participating in cultural preservation and sustainable tourism?
Well, thank you for this question. Actually, this kind of platform gives me a lot of opportunities and privilege, and I'm so grateful that I am one of the official candidates of Mr. Tourism. And I can use this kind of platform to use my voice to influence the young generation, especially the out-of-school youth, to let them know that it is not the last part of your life. And just look always for the bright side, because I believe that every tomorrow is the starting of a new day. Thank you.
Once again, I'd like to remind our candidates before answering, please state your name and your please para naman understand.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am 𝙁𝑗 from the Beat and City. Can you repeat your question, sir?
My question is, how do you think pageant like Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines can inspire young men to participate in cultural preservation and tourism sustainable tourism?
We can use pageant days such as these to amplify the voices of the youth and also to encourage them to join also in the pageant days and to express their advocacies and also to promote their cultural heritage and their culture itself, because we have different cultures, not just, we have different beliefs and cultures, and with that we can achieve unity and a peaceful lives with harmony, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much and good evening. By the way, my name is 𝙁𝑐𝑚 from municipality of ilang. Regarding with that question, I believe that joining pageantry is not really easy. It has a lot of sacrifices that we need to do. But then, it's always about the purpose. If you're joining for a purpose, you can really give what is best for that platform. And with this platform, the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines, I believe that with this platform, we can have a collaboration to sustain the sustainable development, especially towards the environment, by having collaboration with our LGU. Because I know our LGU has the power to have this budgets and everything that they can offer to us. But that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next question from the media.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Mr. 𝙁𝑗 from Misamis Oriental 3.5. So, magbunot-bunot ko tulo. 18, 8 of 14.
18, 8, and 14.
Okay. So, this is my question. This pageant celebrates confidence, discipline, and representation. My question is, how will you use this platform to promote the values and identity of your municipality or provinces?
With this platform, as a candidate of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines, I will embody the best quality of every Filipino that one must have. It is cultural realness. Cultural realness is our commitment to staying true to our heritage, our roots, and our shared past. In a world heavily influenced by Western culture and technology, it is easy to forget who we are and we lose our sense of identity and cultural pride. But as a cultural ambassador, I strive to live a life of authenticity and integrity. And at the very core of my being, there is a proud Filipino in me who immerses in the vibrance and color of my culture. That's why I look forward to our future, but I never forget where I come from. And it is my cultural identity that defines my purpose and weaves the very fabric of who I am. Thank you. Fort Narciso, Pagoloan City.
Good evening everyone, I want to introduce myself first. I am 𝙁𝑗 representing the pride of the new gateway of Mindanao, Mindanao, Misamis City. I like that question, sir. It's so overwhelming to hear that from you, sir. As a trade marketing officer, I often visit places like Mindanao, Iligan City, Misamis City as well, Cagayan-de-Oro, and I've learned so much from that. I've learned so much about diversity, I learned so much about life and individualities. And one value of Mr. Philippines Universe that I want to inculcate to the minds of people, especially to the young generation, is the values of masculinity. Being masculine is not just all about your physique, how you promote yourself, but being a masculine person must have a focused mind and striving hard, and most especially a heart as well as a heart that really wants to help others. And also, as this platform, Mr. Universe Philippines, I want to use this to promote cultural heritage preservation, to help others to understand how to promote, preserve, and most especially being proud of your identity as Mindanaoans. And I hope this platform will serve as a lightning hope that will remind each and every one of us that we could also be a voice for the voiceless. Thank you.
Hello, I am 𝙁𝙗𝘍𝑒𝑚 representing the municipality of Sabado. And as for your question, sir, for me, I can use this platform to promote the students and young Filipinos. I can use this platform to inspire them about giving who we are and representing my municipality and what we have. I can inspire other young people by promoting them, my advocacy, my municipality and the tourism we have. We can inspire other young people of who we are and what we have and what heart we have. We are full-blooded Filipino, so we can inspire other young people and help them and make themselves better for our future generation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidates. Next question will come from the Municipal Tourism Officer of Tagoloan, Mr. 𝙁𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sen. Alright, so this question is for Mr. Misamis Oriental. Please step forward. The one.
So, Misamis Oriental is candidate for Mr. Teen Philippines. So, our Mr. Teen Philippines candidates are excluded in this segment. So, only the MTV can. It's okay, sir, we are open.
Okay, sige. So, candidate number 10 is forward. Number 15 is forward. Number 15 is Mr. Sorry. And also, number... Wala na pili. Kasi wala na. Alright, sir, please forward. Okay, number 1. Okay. This is my question. If you could travel anywhere in the world to promote Philippine tourism, where will it be and what would you showcase first? Again, if you could travel anywhere in the whole world to promote Philippine tourism, where would it be and what would you showcase first?
Beautiful ladies and gentlemen. If I will be given a chance, I am Fred Paula from Misamis Oriental. If given a chance to travel to different places, where would it be? I would still travel first to the Philippines. Because I really believe that in order for us to radiate the experience of our own country, we should experience it first. So Philippines has a lot to offer, from lands, seas, and mountains, from our local garments, from the people, warm-hearted people. And I think that if I would be given a chance, I would still choose to be here in the Philippines because social media is a platform that we can actually use in order for us to widespread of the information about the Philippines. It's not just focuses on the box, but it also it is a platform that can give the foreigners for them to visit the Philippines. And I will be a tourism ambassador, that the vision of our tourism industry, I will take it into vision. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Joven Lobosolar from Municipality of Mindanao. And if I have a chance to travel to our country to promote our country in the Philippines, I will choose also Philippines because Philippines is so many tourist spots. And also, I want to promote our province especially because our municipality is known as is widely known as a cool and refreshing area, and I wanted also to promote not just the other area provinces but also to the other country because I want the world to explore our culture and of course our beautiful province. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. I am 𝙁𝙿𝘍𝙁𝘍 from Calawit, Zamboanga del Norte. Philippines are known for its majestic scenery from Mount 𝙭𝑜n in Taal, and we have 80 provinces in the Philippines. From the question itself, one place to visit to promote Philippines. How can we promote Philippines if we aren't going to another country? So one place that I want to promote in another country, which is the China. Why China? Because China and Philippines have issues in the West Philippines, and I think it would be a great honor to promote our tourism in China so that they can also understand our stories. It would be the Philippine Cargo Center of Calawit, Zamboanga del Norte. We have these fresh milk. We have thousands of cargos in municipality of Calawit. In fact, we are called as the Philippine Cargo Center because we produce milk, pastillas, and also it helped the community about their livelihood. And I think if I would promote that in China, then I think China will also understand that Philippines is not into war, but into promotion of our local products. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidates. I just remind our media friends that later on we will be having a recipient for the 𝙁𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖 of the press. So those candidates who will be chosen as the 𝙁𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖 of the press will be coming from our media people. Okay? So we now have 3 remaining questions from our judges.
Okay, good evening everyone and also to the audience. So my question is for
Or katong wala pa natawa. Ayan. So we have 4 candidates na wala pa natawa. We have numbers 2, 11, 17, and 3. Also number 9.
Okay, my question is very simple. What does being a modern gentleman mean to you?
Before answering, please state your name and please represent it. Ano lang, for right side.
Do you know we start from the 6th grade? Well, a modern Filipino is not just embodying the character of a Filipino. It is about giving your best. It is about offering what else you can offer, not just in the Philippines, but in the entire world. Modernized community, we talk about digital media. So we can actually use online platform to emphasize tourism. And we can amplify the voices of the Philippines to the entire world and propose its diversity. Because Philippines is not just, diversity is not just our identity, it is our attractions as a Filipino. Thank you so much.
So, being a modern, young and modern. So, by the way, BGC Board of Palaslo for representing our city. So, being young and being a modern gentleman is to be authenticity and true to ourselves. So that being a true to yourself is you get to inspire other people that even though that you are not just like them, you are not just like them, but be true to yourself. Thank you.
Hello, my name is 𝙁𝙁𝘍𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖 from Tagoloan. For me, modern gentleman is have brilliant minds that see have brilliant minds and have hearts that serves. Thank you.
Charles really got a lot about. So for me, as a modern gentleman, I would describe a modern gentleman as a man who has principles. When I say principles, a man who embodies respect, integrity, discipline, and responsibility. Because all men, not just all men, but all people need to know that principles make a man, and that will be all. Thank you.
Our film would be teaching the younger generation to be more gentle to the elders, and also to teach them that teaching younger generation to be better and showing that
Thank you very much to our candidates. Any more questions from the judges? Okay, sige.
So, hello everybody. I am Adi Eva and I want to know Mindanao del Norte. Number 8 and also number 12. So the recent questions that is all about the recent cultures, heritage, and also the recent histories, and as well as so this time to know you more, I would like to ask is what is the most important lesson na nakuha ninyo tagaan lesson na naisip or life experiences na nakakatulong o paano ninyo siya i-share sa amuang for us to inspire you since you are here gonna inspire or be a good role model especially na as a man to stand with your experience and with your advocacy. So
Thank you for that wonderful question. Before I start, I just want to preface that a lot of the things that I will be talking about are triggering. Last year, I've experienced an extreme depressive episode because of a lot of experiences that have made it impossible for me to believe life is worth living anymore. I have been delayed in graduating as a college student. I am born and raised by my grandparents, so I was relying simply on pension. So we had to face financial struggles which have prompted me to join pageants as a sort of income. My grandfather died. I think a lot of our judges are aware of it during that time. My grandfather died at the season where I was competing for Mr. Eden Philippines, which affected significantly my performance during the closed door interview and the perpetual or prospective discussions after that. And to tie it up, and I promise this is not a sob story for you to give me the win, kinaluwi mo sa ako pero if I could teach something to the younger generation, it would be that a lot of the things that we often feel are the greatest downfalls of our life are often things that can simply be overcome by virtue of camaraderie, by community, by finding greater purpose of things or within things that are beyond you. And it sounds wonderful, right? But it simply means connecting to people, which I think is important when you become a Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Ambassador, because the main obligation is always to connect others to your birthright, to connect others to your land, to your region, to the natural resources, and to the stories of the communities that where you belong are things worth listening and worth fighting for. So if you ever encounter or face the greatest problems of your life, live for others, live for greater purpose, and live for the hope that there's a better, brighter, shining future beyond. Thank you.
Again, good evening everyone.
Sorry, Jimson Cacholo, 24 lang out at market.
Again, good evening everyone. I am Martin Phil, representing Misamis City. As we all know that everyone in the past had experienced the time of uncertainty, which is pandemic. Agree-bang ka na experienced of the time of uncertainty, which is the COVID-19 pandemic. I realized that pandemic actually made me a better person. That's why I created a program named 𝙁𝙁𝘍 program, which allows me to distribute mga basic commodities at that time. Because I want to give it back to the community because in the time that I am certain, the time that I was so down and sorrow, so the community allows me to realize to live the best experience of my life. That's why I give it back to the community. Aside from that, aside from the 𝙁𝙁𝘍 program, we also organized a platform called Piso para sa Tanan. And I'm so thankful enough that my company, shout out to Universal Arena Corporation, Pathfinder Marketing, and also the collaboration of Gipahigayon, and Gipahigayon, as well as Iligan City, I was able to create this program to help each and every one of us, and also to realize that we can help even in the smallest thing we could have. Thank you.
Thank you for that question. Once again, I am 𝙁𝙁𝘍 from Iligan City. There is actually a revelation that I'd like to share today. It's a secret, but if it means creating a positive impact out there, so why not? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, it's so easy for other people to put you on a pedestal of criticisms, whether it be destructive or constructive. Years ago, I had experienced 𝙁's palsy, where it is an asymmetrical experience in your face, a paralysis that creates a permanent asymmetry on your face. I think you're familiar with 𝙁's palsy, right? It's so easy for other people to tell you that, oh, this person is so vain because he just expresses himself in enhancing his physical attributes first, more than what he values or more than his principles. But 𝙁's palsy actually created a self-esteem damage on myself. But you know what? I'm not looking for someone or a community who has same experience as mine, who has 𝙁's palsy, but I am rallying people who's been on that same position, being discriminated. You know what? You can never go wrong if you will always wear that invisible crown of humility. You know what? You're not just a mere spectator. You can be a king and a queen in your own rights. So once again, thank you so much for listening to my story. And once again, if my 𝙁's palsy story could create a positive impact on a larger scale, then we should amplify it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidates. One more question. You may now proceed to your respective hosts.
Okay, right. Maing kagawis pa nan. Okay pa ba? Wala ba galing po pa? So, I guess this will be the last question. And I will be throwing this question to numbers 12, 16, and 5.
12, 16, and 5. Please come forward. Where is candidate number 12? Number 12.
Legal. Alright, so okay pa ba? Matalan? Pero kung nasa likod mo na may idea, please do so, share mo akong makakagawa sa mga naman. I guess everyone has, since this is Mr. Tourism Philippines, and I am tourism officer, practicing to promote tourism in each of our places. So my question is, unsa man ang culture or unsay connection sa culture ngadto sa tourism. O kung hindi mabasa sa Bisaya, balik ako sa English. What is the connection or the relevance of culture to tourism?
So once again, Manila, 𝙑𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 𝙐𝙗𝑖𝑙𝑖𝑝𝑝𝑖𝑛𝑒𝑠 I believe that culture plays an important role in tourism because it is culture that what makes us unique. It is our identity as Filipinos. In the Philippines, we are so diverse. We have different cultures. And one thing that foreigners or visitors keep coming back in the Philippines is because we have different culture beliefs. And this makes their experience more meaningful and so this makes their experience more meaningful. So with culture, I think that how it relates to tourism, aside from it promotes our identity, we should learn that culture should be preserved and protected. And I encourage everyone to do not be afraid to show wherever you come from, because that's your identity and you must be proud of it. Thank you so much.
Pleasant evening, everyone. I am 𝙑𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 𝙐𝑝𝑖𝑛𝑒𝑠 and can you repeat your questions?
Connection or relevance sa culture to tourism.
The connection between culture and tourism. Their connection is rooted to the heritage of our nation, which is Philippines. Philippines has a rich culture and also has a different beliefs and ideas of what they believe or where they came from. And I believe that culture and tourism has a connection. It is because with being a Filipino, it is rooted that to emphasize tourism is also looking back on where we came from. And I thank you.
Once again, this is 𝙑𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 from Iligan City. For me, Filipino culture is our identity, bridging the gap of our tourism. Because you know what? Culture is there, our heritage is there, and the availability of social media platforms is so accessible where we can promote through the use of demographics. But to answer your questions so clearly and effectively, you know what? Our advocacy should not only be a facade of, speaking in front of everyone. The real question is, what are we doing with environmental sustainability? Because for me, as a student government of my school, both in high school and college, we have been planting mangrove trees in Misamis Oriental along the coastal areas of Iligan City. So the real question is, what are we really doing to support that environmental sustainability for our culture and tourism? Because if we have a good culture, then it reflects to our tourism when there are tourists that visit our place. We have rich culture in terms of our mountains, seas, food, our crafts, especially in Iligan City, and that is something that I'm so proud of, and that is why I also promote and encourage every individual, especially the youth, to empower them that you can do the same. Just a small step can create a big impact out there. Planting a mangrove tree, maybe let's just say once a month, that could also help lives in that community. Thank you so much.
I am Gerald from 𝙑𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 For me, culture is our roots. It is who we are, and this is where we came from. And in fact, Zamboanga is the melting pot in Zamboanga Peninsula because we have 11 ethnic dialect that makes us distinct in the Mindanao. And for me, tourism is not, the relevance of culture and tourism is that tourism helps us preserve our culture. And also that it also helps us the livelihood of our community because tourism can also boost the economic status of the Philippines, which is very important for our economic status because it helps the welfare and the livelihood of our community. And I think that's the relevance between culture and tourism. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jordan Castro from Sir. And one thing that I can say the connections between tourism and culture is that tourism is become a platform and a medium to promote culture, or it is a gateway for cultural exchange and cultural education. That there's a lot of cultures that exist in our country, and it allows people to understand that even in the diversity, we must have unity. Thank you.
Thank you very much once again to our yes, any follow-up questions, sir?
We've been hearing kanina pa mga culture, so any one of you would mention the specific culture in your specific locality that you would promote as a tourism para sa inyong lugar.
I think that one specific culture that I'd like to promote in Davao City. Davao City is known as one of the safest city. We are recognized internationally as one of the safest and cleanest cities in Southeast Asia, and that's because of our discipline. As a Dawaño, I am so proud that I was born and raised in Davao City. Because of that discipline, we are recognized, and I wish to encourage other cities to be disciplined as well, because I believe that with discipline and obedience with our government, it will help your city become more progressive. It takes collaborative effort in order for us to achieve greater heights. So citizens and government should work together so that you can make your city a better place to live in, just like Davao City. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much once again to our candidates. Give them a big round of applause, please, for doing an incredible job during the media interview. And we'd like to thank once again in 7.5 Misamis Oriental, Municipal Information Office of Tagoloan, and to our judges for the incredible questions. Ladies, gentlemen, you may now take a break muna because this time the stage is about to fill up. This is where strength meets confidence, and every start showcases discipline, power, and commanding stage presence. Ladies and gentlemen, raise yourselves as we present to you once again our candidates for the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Mindanao in our Swimwear Competition.
Swimwear Competition
Stay trust in all we do. We rise to what we see. Build with hope and unity. Every voice a chance to shine. Swing the spirit.
Yeah, number 6.
Listen to the responsible hearts to worry. Values and strength in education builds a flame for every soul respect the same. Charitable hands lend with grace, touching hearts in every place. Unity, love and care, for humankind our great share. This is always a universe and a bit.
Candidate number 7.
Responsible hearts to work really. Values respected everything. That's the unity and kindness shown. Through courage, strength, the seeds are sown. Leaders born to light the way. From peace and change to glory stay.
Candidate number 8.
Every voice a chance to shine. Swing the spirit all alive. Listen to reason, responsible hearts to worry. Values they strengthen everything.
Candidate number 9.
Music past, pave the way for fireflies in every day. Education builds a flame for every soul. Respect the same. Charitable hands lend with grace, touching hearts in every place. Unity, love and care, for humankind our great share. This is always a universe in a mist, embodying men with noble dreams. Responsible hearts to work we lead, the values we strengthen everything. Searching strong and true, prestige and trust in all we do. Leaders rise, the world we see, filled with hope and unity. Every voice, a chance to shine, strength and spirit alive. Listen to the fairness, all the men noble dreams, responsible hearts, the world we need. The values they strengthen every need.
age. But as part of time, I'd like to call in our top 5 Mr. Teen Philippines Mindanao candidates for a very special award. And a social media platform. To present the award, we will be joined by our reigning kings of the Tourism Universe Philippines. First up, our Mr. Teen Philippines 2026 People's Choice Award, second runner-up. To present the award, we'd like to call in Mr. Metropolitan International 2026, Mr. 𝙁𝙐𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 Our Mr. Teen Philippines 2026 second runner-up for the People's Choice Award is from Lanao del Norte. Congratulations to Lanao del Norte, our People's Choice Award second runner-up. Our People's Choice Award first runner-up is from the municipality of Malampusong. To present the award, we have here the man of the Elite Global International 2026, Mr. Gipahigayon. Congratulations. And the Mr. Teen Philippines 2026 Mindanao People's Choice Award is Cagayan de Oro. To present the award, we have the winning Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines regional winner, Mr. John Gabriel Guinness, and the Municipal Tourism Officer of this Valley of Mr. Junior Pasqua. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our People's Choice Award, Mr. Teen Philippines Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you very much to the candidates of Mr. Teen Philippines Mindanao candidates. Ayan. Alright, congratulations once again. And let's continue to watch their journey as the grand finale for the Mr. Teen Philippines 2026 will also take place in Boracay Island. The very same night during the grand finale of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2026. It's also a back-to-back pageant competition. So, gentlemen, good luck and thank you very much. Congratulations. So while waiting for the official results of our special awards for tonight's competition, let us all hear the audio message coming from the CEO of the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2026, Mr. Red Salino.
Good evening, everyone. I am 𝙁𝙗𝑚 𝙐𝙗𝑖𝑛𝑒𝑠, the CEO and National Director of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines. I would like to extend my congratulations and gratitude to the Makeover for embracing the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines initiative in Mindanao region. I look forward to observing the progress we can achieve in Mindanao under your leadership. To the parents and guardians of each candidate, thank you for your trust and support. To all the candidates, I wish you the very best and congratulations on reaching this stage. I look forward to seeing you on the national stage from March 19 to 2026 in Boracay Island, Philippines.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the message coming from our CEO of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines, Swimwear 26. So Red, as much as you wanted to join us tonight, but due to equal opportunity, ilang and due to the distance of our venue in Sabado, napadala lang siya on the following message. But for sure, Mr. Red is very grateful and happy for our preliminary competition and Swimwear competition here in Mindanao. So before we announce our special awards, I'd like to call in one more time our candidates for the Mr. Universe Philippines Mindanao region. Again, we'd like to request our gentlemen from the MCUPH Mindanao region to please come up on stage for the announcement of winners. Alright, who's your bet so far? Dili nga sa akin, kisa yung bet. Ha? Mga wala-wala yung asang militan. You're from Tagoloan. Tagoloan na di ay din. Kisa nga dili taga Tagoloan na di, taas daw ka mo. Asan sa inyo? Taas daw ka mo? Yes sir, asang militan sir. Inhitaw, Misamis Oriental, and you are cheering for number 17! Asa si number 17? Wow! And anyone na hindi pa taga-Tagoloan? Have traveled so far, guess now, from where? From Sumila, Bukidnon! Grabe, mga supporters of candidates. Dili kasay? From where? Lanao del Norte! Grabe! So, miles away, pero nag-aning good to show their support for the candidates in tonight's competition. So, we will be waiting for the official result if there is already a over here in front and one from the committee. Pero once again, naging salamat Sir JR. Pwede ba na napakpakan na itong tourism officer, Sir JR Pasco, for this event tonight. Napakaganda na siya ilakaw, pero may ability siya din to show his support. Sir JR, thank you very much. So once again, for those who haven't followed the official Facebook page of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines, please do so. Just log in your FB account and search for Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines. And from there, you will see the highlights of last year's pageant from the preliminary up to the finale with coordination night. And you will see there, from there, the feature posts, especially for a new batch of gentlemen vying for the most coveted crown. Okay. So while waiting for the result, ato sa siguro kailangan ng mga Philippine representatives in the international competition. Let's start with our Mr. Metropolitan International 2026. And we can mo lang. No? Mag-actually now. Mr. 𝙁𝙐𝙇𝘍, message of support para sa itong audiences tonight.
So hello everyone. Once again, I am 𝙁𝙐𝙇𝘍 from Makilala, North Cotabato. And I am representing the Philippines for upcoming Mr. Metropolitan International 2026 in Vietnam. So if you wish to support me, just follow me on Facebook at @𝙁𝙿𝙼 so that you can. Yeah, anyway, follow me on my social media accounts at @𝙁𝙁𝙼 for more updates, and hopefully we can bring the crown for Mr. Metropolitan, and we can bring the pride of the Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. And I would like to say thank you also to the organization, especially to Sir and to Direk for having me here tonight, and so blessed to see once again my co-candidates in Mr. 𝙗𝑚 Universe Philippines, as well as the new candidates, the new batch of Mr. 𝙗𝑚 Universe Philippines 2025. Guys, I'm so very proud that you are here. Actually, I can say na already ko dapat kayo sa pagkakas because you are the standard for this year. So, hopefully, that we can see all of you shine in Boracay. Hopefully, put makita natin sa performance. So, good luck everyone. Thank you so much once again, Tagoloan.
Thank you, Mr. Erickson. Thank you, Mr. 𝙁𝙿𝙼𝑖𝑟𝑠𝑒. Next, we have Mr. Culture World International 2026 representing the Philippines, Mr. niadtong from Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur.
So, good evening everyone. I would like to thank Mr. 𝙗𝑚 Universe Philippines for this opportunity tonight. And one thing that I want to say is I hope you guys support us. We are Pagsul-ob, and I hope you will support us in our upcoming international pageant held in Vietnam in January 28th up to February 3. So that's what we all did. You want all the candidates, break a leg, and I know you can do it. Thank you so much.
Up next, we have man of elite local international from Iligan City, who represented the 𝙁𝙁𝑜 Norte, the national pageant, Mr. Gipahigayon.
First of all, gusto ko magpasalamat sa tanan ni Ate. Ano kayong suporta ninyo? Ante palagi nyo magsuporta sa Mr. 𝙗𝑚 Universe Philippines. Really nice. So, ako kayong magpasalamat sa inyo. So, first, I will introduce myself. I am 𝙁𝙁𝑜 from Lanao del Norte. So, I will be competing this coming January 27 to February 3 at Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And hopefully, masuportahan ko ninyo makuha na ito ang crown for Man of Global International. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. J. Up next, our Mr. World Universe Ambassador. I'm Mr. World Ambassador 2026, Mr. John Gipahigayon's.
Alright, so may gabi sa tanan. Once again, I would like to introduce myself. I'm John Gipahigayon's, 22 years old from Misamis City, and wala ko istorya kayo na naging tanan. I'm just hoping, whatever result is, I hope when I enjoy the journey. It's not a competition, it's about the brotherhood, the experience na nakatamakam is at stage. And I hope na everyone in Atri is also enjoying whatever you are seeing or sumandali ang inyong nakita kami. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. World Ambassador, Mr. John Gipahigayon's, and message of support sa ating mga candidates coming from our Culture and Heritage Ambassador of last year's competition, Mr. Justin Arador.
So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Justin Arador. I'm ambassador of Mr. 𝙗𝑚 Universe Philippines. So, I'm more engaged ako ang advocacy with cultural awareness and appreciation. So, sa akong ma-share sa pag-candidate, so, if dati ko ganang ginapush na advocacy, so, use ninyo ang inyong kanilang platform para maboost ang inyong self, not just only for yourself, but also sa inyong community, which is inyong i-represent na municipality. And that's all po.
Thank you very much, team. And syempre, naman ko sila support. Isang kumusugod na rin kung mga yung support sa inyo, ha? So, I'm Mr. Robles, and I proudly represented my town municipality of Tagoloan, and I'm so lucky enough to be the kahanas Mr. International 2026. And same with our colleagues who will be representing the Philippines in Vietnam this coming January 27th to February 30. We are asking your support, your moral support, and to show your support, guys, i-follow me sa mga Facebook page, and syempre pag-isip sa Gcash number 0936-215-99. But anyway, ang inyong presensya on behalf of the Municipality of Tagoloan from the bottom of every Tagoloan's heart. Daghang salamat sa oras ni Gayon na inyong ihatag para sa pagkandidate sa among mahal na lungsod. We hope that you guys luyo pa man sa kamulitan sa panahon ay mag-isip mo instead ng mga mulay, isa pa to, rest day, di ba? Wala pa kayo trabaho pero choose to join us here tonight para mapakita suporta sa ating mga candidates. We hope that you will share the good news that we have here in Tagoloan and unta na din pa kami ng nasa pinatayan na to. Bali ko din po po sa Tago Festival that will start next week, January 19, 2026. And with this, what Tagoloan can offer to every Mindanao. So that kind of kayang salamat. So may I ask from the company if the results are already in? Ano ba ang results? Correct? No. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we will be announcing first the winners of the Darling of the Press. So, gentlemen, good luck. Our Darling of the Press, second runner-up. Congratulations to 𝙁𝙗𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚. And the Darling of the Press first runner-up is from Lanao del Norte. And listeners, will be spinning out the Darling of the Press winner is from the municipality of Congratulations! And once again, the winners are determined by our press from India. Salamat once again to 87.5 FM, Miss Radio, and the Municipal Information Office of Tagoloan. May I ask our press from India to please come forward and join them in the photo opportunity. Ayan, we have here our anchors and journalists from Swimwear Radio. Thank you very much once again, Swimwear Radio 87.5 FM, and congratulations to the winners. Next we have here the winners for the People's Choice Award. And the People's Choice Award fourth runner-up is from Sulaiman. Congratulations. Our People's Choice Award third runner-up. Congratulations to Dapit City. Congratulations. Next we have People's Choice Award second runner-up. Congratulations to Municipality of Tagoloan. And the People's And the People's Choice Award winner is... So big now, moving on! Thank you very much, and congratulations once again to the winners of People's Choice Award. Grabe. So, for the nominee candidates, don't worry. Una pa lang yun na siya ng mga awards, but most importantly, our journey lies ahead and our way to Boracay Island. Speaking of Boracay, we'd like to invite everyone one more time to cast and witness the coronation night of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2026 and Mr. Teen Philippines 2026. That's gonna be on March 19 to 22 in Afa, Boracay Ocean Club in Boracay Island. So for you guys who will not be there physically, you can also show your support by witnessing the live stream via official Facebook page of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines 2026. Okay, so we'll wait for the official result for our special awards. And once again, nagandang salamat po sa hotel for having us here as our official venue, and JR Resorts for our official residence of the Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Mindanao candidates. And I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our Mindanao Regional Director. We have the Director Makeover alongside our directors, Sir June, Sir John Ray, Sir Chong, and we have here our Puli, Sir J.D. Banwag, and the company that planned again. Salamat. Special shout out also our colleagues, our batch from last year's FTPH from Bukidnon, Mr. Ariel Torino. Hi, I know. Ads. Okay, champion biya ka sa duwin, mabigat na sa yung bayo. Oh, gusto sila iba-example. But anyway, our next award is our top 3 best in arrival suits for arrival wear. Our second runner-up for the best in arrival is candidate number 18 from Pagayaan Survey. Our first runner-up for the top 3 best in arrival is candidate number 12 from Pagayaan Survey. And the winner for our best in arrival is from Davao City. Candidate number 5. Presenting the award is our Mr. Culture Ambassador International, Mr. Melvin Toy. Congratulations once again to the winners for our best in arrival. There's more awards left, so ready for the official result. Nagandang salamat also to our members of the federal judges, Sir Miles and Ma'am Sarah. Thank you very much, sir, all the way from Kulambukan. That now we're going to send the cameras up to the right, sir. So the next for the next event. Grabe yung nangyari. Pero thank you, sir, for gracing this event. And also to our reigning kings that hand-ayos sa naman. To the mentors, the nakikinig makeup artists, was behind this incredible looks at mga candidates. None of this would be possible without you guys. I'm wala pong respeto yun sa ato mga makeup artists o mga mentors na nagpaluyog yun sa ato mga candidates. So, the very supportive parents, mga igsoon, ihagaw, silingan, friends, or whoever you are na natin shows your support. Thank you very much. I hope kayo nagtatang para sa ating mga candidates.
Samot lang sila yung tagpuan. Saan na naman tatatulog?
Okay. Sample si Arnie, sample si Ars, sample si Arnie. Sige. Oy, mag-sample si Arnie. Pakpakan natin ulit. Mr. Paula, getting national 2026. All the way from Makilala, North Cotabato. Ano sa check nito? Connect the phone.
Wala pa sila na picture.
May sunod na mo kanta, may gusto mo kanta si 𝙁𝙿. Kaya kung gusto tayo tulad-tulad, ipakanta, dapat mo kanta ka para clear. Malalaman mo na, malalaman. Sunod na yun si Sir Man. Sila, kayo malalaman mo. Ano po tayo sunod? Okay, once again, let's give it up to Mr. Gipahigayon and from Makilala, North Cotabato. Let's go.
Yeah. Thank you, Blessing. So, hopefully, enjoy mo, kadali, while we are waiting for the results. So,
Thank you very much once again, Mr. J. And hindi ko din nakalibre kita ng permission. Mahal ba rin yung PF niya? Or nakalibre kita din eh. Anyways, thank you very much, Jay, for sharing that talent. And before we announce the winners, before that mag-end sa atong program tonight, our last award, ladies and gentlemen, is our Best in Swimwear. And our Best in Swimwear second runner-up is from the municipality of Mindanao. Congratulations. Our Best in Swimwear first runner-up is from City of Gipahigayon. And our Best in Swimwear is Tagoloan. Congratulations once again to our winners for the Best in Swimwear. We'd like to request Mr. 𝙁𝑜𝑢𝑟𝑖𝑠𝑚 our man of the elite, Mr. Mark Ambassador 2026, and the reigning winner of Mr. Tourism Universe Philippines Regional. And also, Best in Swimwear Turner Batch. Congratulations. Alright, the lights are going to start closing. Please close up. And request also the candidates for Mr. Philippines also come here and join us for the photo opportunity. And now for you guys to take a photo sa atong mga candidates. Yes, candidates from Mr. Team Philippines. Alright, gentlemen, eyes on the camera. In 3, 2, 1, and smile. One more time. In 3, 2, 1, and smile.